Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great hatchback in our collection. A pre-owned 2011 Volkswagen GTI. This Volkswagen is powered by front-wheel drive 4-liter engine, manual transmission, and has 126,599 miles. Rev up your drive with this 2011 Volkswagen GTI. Experience a perfect blend of sporty performance and everyday practicality. With its sleek design and reliable efficiency, this hot hatch is ready for adventure. Don't miss out, test drive today. This pre-owned GTI comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, AC, power windows, alloy wheels. To keep you entertained, this Volkswagen GTI is equipped with Bluetooth. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, adaptive cruise control, ABS brakes, daytime running light. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.